Audeo is a visual communications company. We specialise in providing digital signage, video conferencing and other audiovisual solutions. The flexibility of Dynamax's technology gives us the ability to provide clients with a unique, scalable signage solution to suit their requirements.
You can tell when the digital signage systems are working by how many people we see watching the screens. Once the system's set up, everybody wants the ability to put their messages on the screen, to promote their department to other employees and use it as a place to display their achievements. When people see our signage solutions in action, powered by POV or digitalsignage.net, they can't not ask, how do you do this, or who provided it for you? And of course, it's always really great when existing clients start asking us for help with their templates and content creation and the addition of more screens to their network. It's then that we really know we've done our job right. Audeo have been partnered with Dynamax for over 4 years and Dynamax are always extremely helpful. Their technical support is quick and the cases are always resolved efficiently. Dynamax's initial support was invaluable to us in putting together our signage offering.